For centuries, humans have gazed at Mars and wondered, could we ever live there? The idea of colonizing the red planet has captured the imagination of scientists, writers, and dreamers. But today, with advancements in technology and missions like SpaceX's Starship, this vision is closer than ever to reality. In this video, we'll explore the science, technology, and human challenges of colonizing Mars and answer the ultimate question: is it a sci-fi fantasy or an inevitable step for humanity? Mars isn't just any planet. It's the most viable candidate for colonization in our solar system. Let's break down why. First, Mars has a day almost identical in length to Earth's, about 24 hours and 37 minutes. This similarity could help humans adapt more easily compared to places like Venus or Europa. Second, scientists have discovered traces of water on Mars. While most of it is frozen, it's an essential resource for survival and even for creating fuel. Lastly, Mars has captivated us for centuries, from ancient myths to modern science fiction. It symbolizes a challenge, a frontier waiting to be conquered. But why bother? Because colonizing Mars isn't just about survival, it's about safeguarding humanity's future. What if Earth became uninhabitable due to natural disasters or human-caused events like climate change? Mars could be our second chance. Getting to Mars is the first hurdle. A journey to the red planet takes about 6 to 9 months using current rocket technology. SpaceX is leading the charge with their reusable Starship, designed to carry up to 100 people at a time. But the journey isn't as simple as boarding a plane. There's the challenge of space radiation, microgravity, and the psychological toll of spending months in a confined space. Once we land, we face another challenge: the thin Martian atmosphere made up mostly of carbon dioxide. This makes it impossible to breathe without advanced life support systems. The key question is, how do we survive once we arrive? Part 3. Building a Martian home. Living on Mars would require a combination of cutting-edge technology and creativity. Here's how we could do it. First, habitats. Initial settlements would likely involve inflatable or 3D printed structures made from Martian soil called regolith. These habitats would protect us from extreme temperatures and radiation. Next, food and water. Farming on Mars would require hydroponics or aeroponics, where plants grow without soil, using recycled water. Scientists are also exploring genetically modified crops that could survive in harsh Martian conditions. Then, energy. Solar panels would be crucial, as Mars receives less sunlight than Earth. Wind turbines and nuclear power could provide additional energy sources. Finally, oxygen production. NASA's Perseverance rover has already demonstrated a technology called MOXIE, which extracts oxygen from the Martian atmosphere. Scaling this up would be essential for human survival. Part 4. Terraforming Mars. Fact or fiction? Terraforming Mars, turning it into an Earth-like planet, sounds like science fiction, but some scientists believe it's theoretically possible. The idea involves releasing carbon dioxide trapped in Martian soil to thicken the atmosphere and create a greenhouse effect. This could warm the planet and potentially make it habitable. However, recent studies suggest there isn't enough CO2 on Mars to achieve this. Instead, technologies like giant orbital mirrors to reflect sunlight onto the surface or creating artificial magnetic fields to protect Mars from solar radiation might be more realistic. But these are projects that would take centuries, or even millennia. Part 5. The human element, psychological and ethical challenges. Colonizing Mars isn't just about technology, it's about people. First, there's the psychological toll. Imagine living in a small confined space with limited contact with Earth. Communication delays of up to 20 minutes each way would make real-time conversations impossible. Then there's the ethical question. Should we colonize Mars at all? If we discover microbial life on the planet, does humanity have the right to interfere with its ecosystem? And who decides who gets to go to Mars? Will it be limited to the wealthy and powerful, or will it be an opportunity for everyone? These challenges are as important as the scientific ones, and they highlight the complexity of building a new society on Mars. Conclusion: sci-fi dream or inevitable reality. Colonizing Mars is one of humanity's most ambitious dreams. While there are enormous challenges, the progress we're making is astonishing. Whether it's SpaceX's plans to send the first humans to Mars in the 2030s or NASA's ongoing exploration, every step brings us closer to making this dream a reality. So, is colonizing Mars just sci-fi? For now, maybe. But with determination, innovation, and collaboration, it could become our future. The real question is, when we take that first step on Mars, what kind of society will we build? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into the future, don't forget to subscribe for more thought-provoking content.